when I got Techno Ace A3 earbud, let me tell you more about it. It weighs less than 5 grams and is super convenient to wear. The lateral in-ear design allows you to keep it using it for longer hours. It is also IPX4 water resistant. Hence, you can keep these on during light rain and heavy workout. With powerful sound drivers, these earphones deliver a superb audio output. It functions with Bluetooth 5.2, which allows you to achieve a smooth wireless range of 10 meters. With a great battery, the earphones will deliver a 30 hours standby time once fully charged, so you don't have to worry about any interruptions while listening to music. This earbud is highly convenient with a great battery life. Do
Wireless
check it out.
earphones, ear caps large and small, and a user guide. The product measures 6 by 3.3 by 4.9 centimeters and weighs 30 grams. These earphones come with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. They are light and easy to wear and are splash and waterproof. The earphones have one button for multiple operations and an automatic shutdown feature. The lithium ion battery allows for 30 hours of standby time. The earphones have an omnidirectional mic and an 8mm sound driver. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.